cruise ship. Took the words straight out of my mouth. Come on everybody, back to my house. Take my hand now, you're coming over. It doesn't matter, you can sleep on my sofa. Bring some flags and bring some Rizzlers. We're gonna party like it's nobody's business. Let your head down now, it's the end of the week, and this is our time now. Let's forget everything and put your glad rags on, dressing up like we're queens of the night. We just wanna dance the night away. We don't give a damn what people say. We've had enough, so turn it up. Tonight we're taking over. We wanna drink till we lose our minds. Wanna lose sense of space and time. We're going through, it's how we do. Tonight we're taking over. I'll get high, but I ain't doing benzos. I might dance like your auntie. I don't care, cause we're here to party. I got a quite good record collection. Yeah, I got everything that came out on Def Jam.